Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to convert a low-quality video into high quality. Just follow these steps. Open your browser and search for CapCut Video Upscale. Hit Enter, and you'll land on the CapCut website. Click on the link to open it. Once you're on the site, you will see this interface. Look for the Upload button and click on it. Upload the video you want to convert. It will take a few seconds to upload. Once the upload is complete, preview your video and click the Upscale button to enhance its quality. Now your video is fully enhanced in high quality. Click on the Export button. You'll be taken to another screen. Click the Download button, and your video will be fully downloaded. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe.